Hi guys, what's up? This is rule number 17 and a very happy new year to everyone. So yeah, I come up with the animes which are coming on winter 2026. So let's check it out. Okay, so I start with Jujutsu Kaisen Season 3, The Culling Games Part 1, and it's releasing on 8th January. Free Reign Beyond Journey's End Season 2, January 16. Oshinoko Season 3, January 14. Fire Force Season 3 Code 2, January 9th. Hell's Paradise Season 2, January 11. Sentenced to be a Hero, January 3rd. This time for Torture Princess Core 2, January 12th. So yeah, this was the part 1 only. There will be more parts. So that's it for today, guys. See you all the next reel.